This episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef is brought to you by Coffee Over Cardio. Click the link below and use code 10 Goofy Blonde Chef for 10% off. Hey guys, it's your Goofy Blonde Chef back again to bring you a super quick, easy, elegant dessert that everyone's gonna love, not just your low carb friends. So here we go. The ingredients to make our lemon chiffon mousse are really easy. It's a 1/4 cup of whole milk ricotta, 2 tablespoons of Swerve sweetener, and a lemon. Use the microplane to zest the lemon, and that's really it. Pretty glass to serve it in. There we go. I'm just going to combine all our ingredients and mix them well. It's all mixed. Put it in a glass and chill it. Garnish with some berries. This is a great little dessert. Enjoy. Well, that's our recipe for the day. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks so much for watching.